How often should you replace your Evaporator? Hopefully never is what would be my answer, only when there's a failure. Evaporator should last the life of the system if it's been installed properly, and if there's nothing that's going to compromise the integrity of the surface of the coil to where it could cause a leak or erosion or corrosion of the metal. So there's nothing that indicates that you should replace an Evaporator from time to time. It's usually replaced when the system is replaced with something newer. So I would say these days you'll see failures for Evaporators because we use a refrigerant that runs at a very high pressure. R410A is the current refrigerant that's popular for residential air conditioners. But yeah, you shouldn't have to replace it unless there's a major failure.